Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out with 3D modeling, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into SolidWorks to create a detailed 3D part from a 2D drawing. This tutorial will guide you step by step, so you can follow along and enhance your design skills. Let's get started. In this video, we'll be working on a mechanical piece that includes various features like extrusions, cuts, and mirrored patterns. We'll use a 2D drawing as our reference, ensuring that all dimensions and relations are accurately applied. This example is perfect for understanding how to translate a 2D blueprint into a fully realized 3D model. Before we jump into SolidWorks, let's take a moment to understand our 2D drawing. The drawing provides three essential views: front, top, and side. These views help us visualize the part from different angles and ensure that we capture all necessary details. Pay close attention to the dimensions provided, as they are crucial for creating an accurate model. Let's open SolidWorks and start a new part. Select the front plane to begin our sketch. Using the line tool, we'll draw the initial shape based on our 2D drawing. Make sure to add all necessary dimensions and relations as shown. To save time, we'll use the mirror feature to duplicate parts of the sketch. Once done, we'll trim any unnecessary lines to clean up the sketch. With our sketch complete, let's move to the Features menu and select Extruded Boss/Base. We'll set the thickness to 20 millimeters to give our part its initial 3D form. This extrusion will serve as the foundation for the rest of our design. Next, we'll select the top surface and sketch two circles. The larger circle will have a diameter of 10 millimeters, and the smaller one will be 5 millimeters. We'll also add two lines to complete the shape. Don't forget to apply the necessary dimensions and relations to match the 2D drawing. Once the sketch is ready, we'll use the extruded boss feature again, this time with a thickness of 3.5 millimeters. To maintain symmetry, we'll use the mirror feature from the linear pattern menu. Select the right plane as the mirror plane to duplicate the features we just created. This ensures both sides of our part are identical. Now, let's select a face and sketch a circle for A. Using the extruded cut feature, we'll set the direction to through all to create the hole. We'll then add another circle, apply the necessary dimensions, and use the extruded boss feature with a 2.5 millimeters offset and 25 millimeters thickness. Remember to invert the direction for this extrusion. Selecting another face, we'll sketch a triangle and add the required dimensions. Using the Revolve Boss feature, we'll create a circular 3D design by selecting an axis of revolution and setting the direction to 180 degrees. To mirror this revolve feature, we'll create a new plane 10 millimeters from the front plane using the geometry reference. Then, we'll use the mirror feature to duplicate the revolve design on the other side. Once done, we'll hide the new plane and axis for clarity. Lastly, we'll add 2 points on a selected face to guide the placement of holes. Using the hole wizard, we'll choose a legacy hole type, set the dimensions, and position the holes using the points we created. If we notice any missing dimensions, we'll correct them promptly. With our part complete, let's add a professional touch by applying a color. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also helps in distinguishing different features of the model. And there you have it. We've successfully transformed a 2D drawing into a detailed 3D part using SolidWorks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.